Hey guys, this is Josie from MTP. We'll be looking at the setup of the two tariff options TOU and NMP for the second generation MTP 3100 wireless energy monitoring system. So I'll basically explain to you guys a little bit with a chart how the time of use system works. Basically the monitor comes preloaded with this and according to the Ontario tariff rate system. And it is also the default tariff rate setting from the factory. So when you open the unit, basically this is what will apply. These are the rates. So as we could see here on the chart, we have two different seasons, so summer and winter. We could set the rates according to both. So for each of these seasons, we could set 4 tariffs for the weekdays. So meaning from Monday to Friday, we could set tariffs from like 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., then from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., and so on and so forth. Also for each of the seasons, we could set a 5th tariff rate for the weekends. So for Saturday and Sunday, we could basically set a fixed tariff rate for both the summer and the winter. So this is basically how the TOU tariff rate setting works. Like I said, you could adjust it according to 2 seasons. And for each of these seasons, for the weekdays, you could adjust 4 tariffs for the weekdays. So Monday to Friday, you could adjust the tariffs according to the time, and for the weekends as well. So that's it for that. Now I'm going to explain to you guys a little bit what NMP is. So NMP is normal meter pricing. The normal meter pricing allows you, gives you 3 options actually. You could either set a single tariff. A single tariff means that it's the same rate that applies for the whole day. And this applies like sometimes when your electricity provider just gives you an average consumption cost, and so basically you would apply it around the clock for all 7 days of the week. Otherwise, you have the 2 tariff system, so that means you could split your days in 2, and like the 2 tariff system, it also applies from Monday to Sunday, basically the same tariff structure. So basically you could put it from like 7 a.m. Till about 5 p.m. and then from 5 p.m. Till 6:59 a.m. That's going to be the second tariff. Or we have the choice of the 3 tariff system, and this is when you could break down your day of the week into 3. And as well, this here is applicable to all 7 days of the week. So that's it for that. Now I'm going to get into the unit. I'll explain to you a little bit the instructions on how to go change the tariff settings. So the first thing you want to do is click the mode set button to get into the settings. When the red light flashes, release the button, and there you go, we're in the settings. The voltage symbol starts flashing. Just go down with the down arrow to TOU. If I press again the down arrow, I'll be now at NMP. This is the normal meter pricing. These are the 2 tariff options that we have. We could choose either or. How do we know which one is being used? Well, it's the last tariff setting that we make a modification on. So like, let's say I make a modification on the TOU and I return to my normal screen. Well, the TOU is going to apply. If I make my last modification on the NMP, well, then the NMP will be applicable to my default screen. That's what I'll be using as a tariff mode. So let's start with TOU. So to enter the TOU, press the mode set button, and there you go. Now we see over here that this here, we are now setting the summer period. So the summer period, it's always the starting date. Now we see the month flashing, so this is May 1st. If ever we want to change the values, press the up and down arrow keys. We want to confirm, press the mode set. As I said, the unit comes by default with the Ontario tariff rate setting mode. And so, it's all loaded up. So if you live in that area, you have really no changes to do unless the tariffs basically have changed. So it is always best to check with your electricity provider. So now to confirm the month, we click the mode set button. So this, like I said, is the starting month. And now this here, the flashing value is the date. So if we want to change the date, if the date is other than 1, we could always use the up and down arrow keys to change. So in this case, as I said, May 1st, that's our starting date for the summer period. So now we enter into the cost, the tariff settings. So for tariff 1, basically the cost would be 10.4 cents an hour per kilowatt consumed, sorry. And we could see that the starting time is 7 a.m. So now to confirm the values, all we have to do is press the mode set, otherwise to change them up and down. So since they're preloaded with the Ontario's tariff rate settings and it's good, we're gonna keep it as is. So I'm gonna be confirming this, confirm again, confirm. And now I see the time. The time is flashing. So if you want to set a different starting time for tariff 1 for the summer period, well, you could change this as you like. So to confirm the time, press mode set. This is the minutes now. That's flashing. We could also change that if we want to. So after we confirm the minutes, we're gonna see that this here, we're gonna be setting tariff 2 for the summer period. So there you go. Again, the same process. We could change the tariff cost for the period 2 of the summer. And to always change up and down to confirm mode set. So I'll be confirming this. I'll be skipping this part. Again, this is the hour. So, the starting hour for my period 2. I could change this with the up and down arrows to confirm mode set. So this, again, minutes, I could change them or confirm. Now, again, once you confirm the minutes, you jump to the next tariff. Now, as you see, the number changed again. It's now, we're now setting tariff 3 for the summer period. Again, we see the digit for the cost flashing, and we want to confirm this. Again, this is 10.4 cents per kilowatt consumed. There you go, we're confirming. And now finally over here again, it's the starting time of our 3rd tariff rate period. Confirm this, confirm that. And finally, I'll be skipping this part, confirming all of this. Now, once I confirm the starting time for period 4, I'm gonna have a 5th tariff rate. And this 5th tariff rate, like I explained to you guys, is the weekends. So that's why you don't see any more time over here. And this here is applicable for Saturday and Sunday. So basically we could set the cost of the electricity over here, the tariff rate. As we see here, it's 6.7 cents. And there you go. To confirm or to change, well, to change, up and down arrow keys. Otherwise, to confirm, always press the mode set button. And so that's it. So once we confirm this last digit, we're gonna be now setting the winter tariff rate period. So as we could see here, the first number that starts flashing, this is the month. So it's November 1st. If we want to change the starting month, we have the choice to do so using the up and down arrow keys. To confirm, basically press the mode set button. The same applies to the date. You could change it as you wish. So there you go, we confirmed that. And now the same process applies as into the summer rate. We have to set all 4 periods. So first is the cost. So, to change, again, up and down arrow keys. To confirm, always the mode set button. Again, this is always the starting time, starting by the hour. We confirm, we set the hour, the minutes, And there you go. Like now we could set also 2, 3, and 4. So now this, we set that for tariff 2. Now we're at tariff 3 for the winter period. We're setting this. I'll skip through this process because it's a little long. And now again, once we set tariff 4, this is for the weekdays, so Monday to Friday. We'll have to set a tariff 5 for the weekends, and that's why I explained again, there's no time over here. It's because this applies for, it's a fixed tariff rate for the weekends. So as we can see here, it's 6.7 cents for the winter period. So to confirm the digits, mode set, and there you go. So now the TOU is set. If we want to use the TOU, if you're in Ontario or any other province or country that uses the time of use tariff setting, well, all you have to do is exit this setting screen by hitting the history button. Otherwise, if you need to set the normal meter pricing, it's more of like an average type tariff setting. Well, what you have to do is enter into this setting mode by pressing on the mode set button. So now as we see, we have the choice of 1, 2, or 3 tariff setting. By this flashing the 1, 2, 3, that means that we could set the setting mode is 3 tariffs. If we press on the up arrow, we'll see that this is a 2 tariff rate setting, as we can see, 1 and 2. So that means that basically we could split our day in 2, and this applies to all the days of the week, Monday to Sunday. Or press up again, that's a single tariff. So I'm going to show you how the single tariff works. I'm going to go into it by pressing the mode set button. So there you go. This is a single tariff. I basically, let's say the tariff rate on average in wherever I'm living is 8 cents. Well, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to skip to the 100th digit and go up to 8 cents, and there you go. Set it like that. So as well, like I said, if you see a 1 digit here, that means it's a 1 tariff. So that means that the 8 cents will apply to 24 hours around the clock, 7 days a week. So basically, that depends on your electricity provider. You could always find out if they use an average to average out the electricity consumption cost. So to confirm that, just press mode set again, and there you go. If that's what you're using, a 1 tariff for NMP, well, just click the history button and you're back at your default screen. Now let's go back to NMP again, and I'm going to show you how to set a 2 tariff. So now we see the 1 flashing. Sorry, there you go. So when we see a 1, 2, that means we could set 2 tariffs for the day, applicable to every day of the week, Monday to Sunday. So to enter this, press mode set, and so now we see that there's a clock at the bottom. Before we didn't have a clock. And so let's say we'll keep this the same. So for the first tariff of the day, we're gonna keep it at 8 cents. And we're gonna see that it starts at 7 in the morning. So there you go. Minutes, it's okay. And now, as we saw, we've confirmed the last digit, the minutes, sorry, and tariff 2 appears. So now we could set tariff 2. We'll say that tariff 2 is maybe a little bit lower, the price. So it's gonna be 6 cents. We're gonna bring it up to 6 cents. So there you go, confirm that with the mode set, confirm again. And now we could set the clock. So we said that our first tariff started at 7 in the morning. Now our second tariff, we're gonna make it start at 5 in the evening, let's say. This average all depends on you know, your local electricity providers on how they charge. So you could set it to whatever time and rate is applicable to you. So we're gonna say, as we said, 5 o'clock. So to confirm, again, mode set, and there you go. So you know, the normal meter pricing tariff, a 2 tariff rate setting has been set. To exit and keep the 2 tariff rate setting, simply press the history button found here at the bottom when you're in the default setting screen. Now I'm going to show you guys how to change basically change the 3 tariff setting. So again, go to NMP, click mode set. And right here, we're gonna press the down arrow key, and we're gonna see 1, 2, 3. So basically, when you see the 1, 2, 3, that means it's a 3 tariff setting. To enter this mode, click the mode set button, and there you go. So for NMP 1, this is our first tariff of the day. Again, the 3 tariff rate settings are applicable to every day of the week, so Monday to Sunday. And that's it. You could set 3 tariffs per day. So we're gonna say again, from 7 a.m. Till 4:59 p.m. is tariff 1 at 8 cents. So we're gonna confirm this. If you want to change the values, you could do so. Simply press the up and down arrow keys. So 7 a.m. Okay, now the second tariff rate setting for the day, we could set this, simply confirm by pressing mode set. Oh, sorry. And now here you go. After we've confirmed the minutes of the second tariff, the third tariff appears, and we could do the same. We're gonna say that this one here is 10 cents, 10.5 cents actually. The kilowatt hour. So there you go. We're gonna set it to 10.5 and perfect. Okay, so now we said from 7 a.m. till 4:59 is tariff 1, and tariff 2 started at 5. So we're gonna say this one here starts at, let's say, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is our tariff 3, and so that basically, like, you know, we confirmed this, confirmed that, and there you go. Like, once everything is confirmed, we return to the normal to the setting, the setting screen, and you know, if we want that to apply, the 3 tariff NMP setting mode, all we have to do is click the history button. This is what I'll do right now, and as we could see, it says NMP 3. So that means that the NMP 3 tariff rate setting is applicable to our unit. So our days, like every day of the week, basically Monday to Sunday, is divided into 3 tariff periods. So meaning from 7 a.m. to 4:59 is tariff 1, from 5 till 7:59 p.m. is tariff 2, and from 8 p.m. till 6:59 in the morning is our tariff 3. So all depending on whether time of use or NMP is good for you. You have to basically verify with your electricity provider. So if you have any further questions, you may always email us. Our email is info@mtpinc.com, or you could visit our website www.mtpinc.com. Thanks for watching, and you know, keep following us on YouTube. Thank you.